Okay guys, so this episode has nothing to do with rap music. The only thing this is involving is the Power Macintosh 4400. Hey guys, Technical Wizard here, and today I have, after forever, the Power Macintosh 4400/200 with the Crescendo G3 add-on. I finally got my Apple converter working again along with this unit because for some reason during the summer this unit would not come on. It just make the hard drive noises and the startup noise, and nothing else would happen on the monitor. But I left it for a while and it started working again, so I decided to make a video of it. This time I'm using the compact FSM40 monitor instead of the MV540 monitor, the Dell monitor. But I have an ADB keyboard and an ADB mouse because my other ADB keyboard died, which this is the bottom of it because it has both of the feet, and yep, still works. I added a USB card to this unit. If it'll even work, I may have to put the drivers on here, or the extensions as they're called in Macintosh world. But I'm turning the monitor, and we'll start the unit. Listen to that baby wind up. Okay, there comes the monitor. I got a little scared for a second. There's the little Happy Mac. This is still running macOS 9.0, although I may put 8.6 on it, but I'm afraid of losing the Crescendo G3 drivers. Which I think the lowest that would go on a G3 is OS 8.6. This drive still works. Any minute we should be getting desktop. Okay guys, so here's desktop, all pretty much the same thing. Go to about this computer. Yep, gotta install the QuickTime VR extension as well as the power plug. macOS 10.0.4, 96 megabytes of RAM, PowerPC enabler 9.0.4, and yeah, basically all the same stuff. 2 gig hard drive, CD-ROM, and floppy. So yeah, I'm not going to plug anything into the USB card because I doubt it works, but if y'all enjoyed this, like, comment, subscribe for more. Bye.